Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video today I will unbox this box. It's called EVERCROSS. It's an electric scooter inside this box, and I don't know what it looks like and how big it is. It says on here 23 kilograms, so gross weight is 29.5 kilograms, and manufactured year is 2021, made in China. My wife, she ordered this one. She spent over $900 Canadian from Amazon. Yeah, just like I said, I don't know what it looks like inside, so now let's open it. Let's see. Here it is, electric scooter. See what it looks like. It has a seat and the steering handle. Okay, let's open this box. See the toolkit, 3 wrenches and some Allen key, and something in here as well, all the hardware and nuts and screw maybe. Oh no, it's a charger. This is seat. Oh, it's big and heavy. Oh my goodness, it's heavy. It's not small like the other one. I asking someone a few months ago, and they said it's over $400 Canadian. This one over 900, and she said it's already on sale. So that means it's over $1,000 Canadian. There's also have a headlight. Light. And turn this one out. Just like that. So there's a release here, the red one, and I can lift this one. There. So push this one down. Yeah. And this one, let's bring it up. There's a stand. Look, this stand, just like the bicycle. Put it down. Okay, yeah. Let's bring this way. I can push one down like that. Yeah. So it's easy. And also this one, just loose this a little bit. Easy to tight. Let's put the seat on. And also the seat with the release under here. Yeah. Put this one. It's plastic. So depend on how high it is neat and it's tightly half turn and press it forward. Seat also have like suspension. Yeah, see, that's what it looked like. There's a wheel. It's a solid wheel. Yeah, it's solid. And these are release to bring this handle down. And there's a LED light assembly here. That's just a shock, a stand, and see the brake caliper, brake rotor, suspended rotor, look so cool, look very nice. And also the front one, there's a brake rotor, look like sport rotor. You still have to mount this one on. Here's a 2 key, and there's a handle. Still have to figure out all of this. There's a light over here too. When I charge it and see how everything works. Just can't wait until I figure out how it works and charge it and how long. Yes, after that, then I will make another video to show you guys how this electric scooter works and how it ride on the street and stuff like that. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this scooter, please click like on the video and subscribe to my channel. And see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.